A very good morning to all of you. Myself Anuj Divedi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manjil Education by Anuj Divedi. Today I have come up with CTET 2020 EVS short notes from of NCERT from class 3 to 5. This is the video number 2. So let's start our video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, cooked rice is put in a bowl and keep the bowl in container with some water. Green coriander dhania is wrapped in a damp cloth. Onion, garlic are kept in a dry open place. This all are I am telling for how to keep it. In our next slide, Punjab North मक्के की रोटी सरसों का साग राजमा चावल दाल चपाती से एक्सेट्रा आर मेड. In Rajasthan West, dalia, dal and churma, mama kachori. Kerala South, rice and fish, idli, sambar, dosa and dhokla. West Bengal East, rice and fish are made. Madhya Pradesh Central, dal chapatis, chawal dal. This I have already told you about this map. You can make use of it in very many types of questions. Always from the map the questions are being asked in the EVS CTET. Next is wandering seeds. So the first point is the seeds have many tiny hooks which get stuck to clothes or fur. They can also travel through water. When the soybean pods are ripe, they burst and the seeds are thrown out. Green chilies, tomato and potato were brought to India by traders coming from South America. From Europe, cabbage and pea were brought. From Africa, coffee beans and green bhindi. Our next is every drop counts. This chapter talks about a place named Ghadisar. Sar means a lake. This is the story of Jaisalmer. There were 9 lakes and then they can be filled with a single lake. Jaisalmer get very little rainfall once in a year or sometimes not even that. At some places, people celebrate it whenever lakes get filled up with water. Example, in Uttarakhand, new bridge goes to the bow to the spring or the pond. The reasons why wells have dried up. कारण क्या है कि wells dry up. चलिए देखते हैं कारण क्या है. Water is being pumped from under the ground with the help of electric motors. The lakes in which rainwater used to collect are no longer there. The soil around trees and parks is now covered with cement. These are the notes which will be very helpful for you to clear CTET exam for EVS subject because these are the extract from NCERT. You don't have to go to NCERT, just you have to write these all things and study. Experiments with water. All oceans and seas have salty water. The saltiest water can be found in the Dead Sea. Around 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. No one can be drawn in the Dead Sea because of that much salt density. The person will float on water, surface of water. It read for mosquitoes. Next slide we can see what are the in malaria fever comes with chills and rigors. Medicine for malaria, bark of the cinchona tree. Iron can be found in jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables. Flies spread disease like stomach problems. Algae is a kind of plant which spreads in the rainy season mostly. The scientist who peeped into a mosquito's stomach is Ronald Ross. He found out about malaria before those people believed that it's a disease of bad air. Malaria is caused by a one-celled parasite called Plasmodium. Female Anopheles mosquito looks brownish with spotted wings. Next is vitamin and iron give strength and keep us warm in the cold. Tekla village is at the height of 1600 meters in Patan, that is in Jhalwar, Rajasthan. The angle of our body should be 90 while climbing and the back should be straight. Bachendri Paul is the first Indian woman and the fifth woman in the world to reach the peak of Mount Everest. Next is, you can write down these notes or can pause the video and take the screenshot, which will be helpful for you and for your study purpose. Next is, Mumbai is the most crowded city in the India. To reach Delhi from Mumbai, one has to cross many states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan and all. The distance from Mumbai to Delhi is 1400 kilometers. The road of Jammu and Kashmir are difficult due to mountains. One has to cross Jammu and Kashmir in order to reach Leh Ladakh. People use nylon tents on hilly areas. Ladakh is called cold desert. In Ladakh, you will see wooden houses with slopy roof and covered in snow. Ladakh is high, dry and flat called cold desert. Ladakh gets very little rain. There are high snow-capped mountains and a cold, flat ground because of the dryness. No plants and trees grow in Ladakh. In Ladakh, Jul Jul means welcome. Welcome. It was a building with two floors. The house was made of stones which were kept one over the other. The walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. The house looked like a shed from inside with a lot of hay stored there. Next is, the ground floor is for animals and for storing necessary things. Sometimes when it gets too cold, people also move downstairs. Here, ground floors have no windows. The thick tree trunk are used to make roof strong. Red chili, orange pumpkins and golden yellow corns are found in Ladakh. During summer season, we dry many fruits and vegetables. We store them for winters when we do not get fresh fruits and vegetables. The thick walls, a wooden floor and a wooden ceiling protects the people of Ladakh from the cold. In Ladakh, there are narrow, rocky mountain roads. At many places, there are no roads at all. Next is, these all are very important for your CTET. Directly questions are being asked from these notes. So do take notes. Changtang is at a height of almost 5000 meters. It has rocky plains there. At a very high place, people feel difficult to breathe, headache and feel weak. There are no petrol pumps and no mechanics there. Changpa, a tribe living on the mountains, the Changpa tribe have only about 5000 people. The Changpas are always on the move with their goats and sheep. They get all they need, that is milk, meat, skin for tents and wool for coats and sweaters. If a family has more animals, it is considered rich and important. From these special goats, they get wool for making the famous Pashima wool. You have heard about Pashima wool. The Changpa graze their goats at higher and colder places so that goats have more and more soften hair, that is fur. They stay high up on these mountains in very difficult conditions because that is where these goats can live. This is their life and their livelihood. The Changpas carry everything that they have owned on their horses and yaks. It takes them only 2.5 hours to pack everything and move ahead. The Changpa call their tents ribo. Yak hair is woven to make strips which are stitched together. These are strong and warm and protect them from the icy strong winds. In winters, the temperature drops many degrees below zero. The wind blows at 70 kilometers per hour. Let us know more about Changpas. In Changpa language, Changtang means a place where a few people live. In Srinagar, you will see some houses on the mountains while some on water. In Kashmir, every lane has a bakery. Kashmiri people don't cook rotis in their homes. They buy it from such bakeries. Different kinds of shelter in Jammu and Kashmir. some on high mountains, some on water, some with beautiful designs in wood and stone, and some mobile shelters that can even be packed and carried to another place. Near the Rebo there was a place to keep sheep and goats. Changpas call it lekha. The walls of the lekha are made with stones. Each family puts a special mark on their animals. The women and young girls count and take the animals out of the lekha. Kargil comes in the way to Srinagar from Ladakh. Houses of Srinagar. How are the houses of Srinagar? First one is houseboats. Houseboats can be as long as 80 feet and around 8 to 9 feet wide. Second is donga. These boats can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum River. From inside, the donga is just like a house with different rooms. Beautiful carving on wood can be seen on the ceiling of the houseboats. Some big houses. This design is called Khatamban, which has a pattern that looks like a jigsaw puzzle. Let's see. In the villages of Kashmir, houses are made from stones cut and kept one on top of the other and coated with mud. Wood is also used. The houses have sloping roofs. Some old houses have a special type of window which comes out of the wall. This is called dab. It has beautiful wood pattern. The old houses here are made of stone, bricks and wood. The doors and windows have beautiful arcs, mehrab. When the earth shook in 26 January 2001, earthquake hit the Kutch area in Gujarat. How would blow cold? This story has been written by Dr. Zakir Hussain, former president of India. The air coming out of mouth can be cold or hot as compared to the temperature outside. Stethoscope is used to listen our heartbeats. The cold air comes down as it is heavier. The breath can be cold or hot according to the outside temperature. So, in all this, we have seen that these all are things which will be very helpful for you in your CTET 2020 notes, and according to this I will make question multiple choice questions which will be helpful for you in the coming slides and coming videos. So EVS short notes third video will come it tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video. If you are watching this video for the first time, do like, subscribe and share the channel or video so that many of the people can get benefit from this, and have a nice day. Thank you.